In today's class, we will work out one problem on labor cost control and how to calculate the normal wages and overtime wages. This question is very important for your section B under cost accounting, 4th semester BCom. So the problem is this. Problem goes like this. Calculate the normal and overtime wages payable to the worker from the following data. So calculate the normal and overtime wages of the workers from the following data. So this is the data given. Days are given here and the number of hours worked by the worker is also given in this problem. So Monday he has worked for 8 hours. Tuesday he has worked for 10 hours. Wednesday he has worked for 9 hours. Thursday he has worked for 11 hours. Friday he has worked for 11 hours. And Saturday usually it will be considered as a half day where he has worked only for 4 hours. So the assumption is Saturday is assumed as the half a day. See here, normal hours 8 hours per day, barring Saturday, where the normal hours are taken as 4 hours. See, the normal rate is rupee 1 per hour. Normal rate is rupees 1 per hour. And overtime wages, there are two slabs. Up to 9 hours, he will be given the single rate. So the single rate is 1 rupee. And over 9 hours, he would be given double rate. Double rate here means instead of 1 rupee, we will have to take it as 2 rupees. See, this is the problem. Once again, I would like to read out this problem which will be asked for your examination under section B. Calculate the normal and overtime wages payable to the worker from the following data. Day and hours worked is given. Monday 8 hours, Tuesday 10 hours, Wednesday 9 hours, Thursday 11 hours, Friday also 11 hours, Saturday, which is assumed as half a day, has worked for only 4 hours. See, this is the problem. See, coming to the normal hours for the workers fixed is 8 hours per day. 8 hours per day. Normal rate is considered as 1 rupee per hour. 1 rupee per hour. See, how do you calculate the overtime wages? For the purpose of calculating the overtime wages, they have given two slabs. See, up to 9 hours, this is the single rate. Over 9 hours, it will be considered as double rate. So, we have to calculate the normal and overtime wages of the workers. For this purpose, you have to make 5 different columns. The columns are like this: day, hours worked by the worker, and the normal hours fixed as per the rules, and overtime wages at a single rate. How many hours he is eligible to get the single rate, that is entered in this particular column. And overtime wages double rate. Double rate here means if he exceeds 9 hours per day, he will be paid at a double rate. See, this is the thing. And this is the day column, hours worked, normal hours, OT at a single rate and OT at a double rate. For example, you take on Monday. So you take on Monday. See, hours worked is 8 and normal hour is also 8. Hours worked is also 8 and normal hours fixed is also 8. So he is not eligible for any overtime wages. So that is why dash dash nil nil. He will not get any overtime wages either at the single rate or at the double rate, because the number of hours worked is equal to normal hours. Normal hour is also 8 and he has worked only for 8 hours. So he will not get any overtime wages. See, coming to Tuesday, he worked for 10 hours, but the normal hours is only 8. Please understand, on Tuesday, he has worked for 10 hours, where the normal hours are fixed at rupees 8. So, according to this slab, up to 9 hours single rate. So, he has worked 1 hour for single rate. So, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So, we have to enter it in the single rate column. Overtime wages single rate column. 1 he will get because 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And one more 1 is there. Another extra 1 hour he has worked as OT, where he has exceeded 9 hours, because 1 hour he will be paid at a single rate and another hour, because total number of hours worked by him is 10. So 8 is the normal. See, 1 is single rate. 1 is single rate. And another 1 is left out. That one he will get double rate. Another 1 hour he will get double rate. See, on Wednesday, he has worked for 9 hours and the normal hours fixed is 8. So his number of hours worked is within the first slab, that is up to 9 hours single rate, because it is up to 9 hours only. So 8 hours is normal, 1 hour is extra. So he will not be given any double rate wages under OT column. Overtime, he will not get any double rate because he worked for only 9 hours. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. He will not get any extra under the double rate system. So it is there. See, coming to Thursday, he has worked for 11 hours. Understand? On Thursday, he has worked for 11 hours. So the normal hours is 8. See, up to 9 hours he will be paid at a single rate. So 1 hour, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. He will be paid at a single rate. Whereas after 9, this is 11. So 2 hours extra he has worked, where he is entitled and eligible to get 2 hours of wages on double rate OT. Overtime wages under double rate, because see, 8 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 11. 8 hours normal, 1 hour is single rate and the 2 hours is double rate. So we have to enter this in this column. See, up to 9 hours, this column will come. If his number of hours worked exceeds 9 hours, then it will be entered in the second column. He is entitled to get double rate. Understand? 11 hours, 8 hours is normal, 1 hour is up to 9 hours at a single rate. I have entered it in the single rate column. That's very important thing. You will get under single rate 1. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So actual worked is 11. So 2 hours extra he has worked for this slab. So he has exceeded 9 hours. So he is going to get 2 hours extra under double rate. This is what we will have to understand. See, coming to Friday, same thing. That's very important thing. So 8 hours is normal, 8 plus 1 up to 9 hours single rate. So he will be paid 1 hour at the single rate. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. He has worked for 11 hours. 2 hours he has exceeded over 9 hours. So he is going to get 2 hours at the rate of double rate of overtime wages. See, coming to Saturday, usually Saturday is assumed as a half a day, where the normal hours will be reduced to 4. Normal hours will be reduced to 4, and here hours worked is also 4 and normal hours is also 4. He will be paid only at the normal rate. He will not get any OT wages. This is dash, this is also dash, because hours worked is equal to the normal hours. 4 hours, and here it is also 4. So he will not be given any wages under single rate or under double rate. So this is what you will have to do. So once again I would like to repeat. See, take on Monday, 8 hours he has worked. Normal hours is also 8. So he will not be paid any overtime wages because the hours worked is equal to the normal hours. 8 hours is hours worked and normal hours is also 8. So no OT payment for him either at a single rate or double rate because this is equivalent to this dash dash. See, coming to Tuesday, he has worked for 10 hours whereas the normal wages are paid only for normal hours 8 hours. See, he has worked 1 hour extra. I told you already, up to 9 hours. You enter it in the single rate column. 1. See, after 9, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. He has worked for 10 hours. So, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. He will get second slab will be counted for him. Under OT double rate, he will get 1 hour double rate. See, coming to Wednesday, he has worked for 9 hours. Normal hours are 8. So, he has worked only 1 hour extra. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So, he will not get any double rate payment. He will not get any double rate payment. Coming to Thursday, he has worked for 11 hours. The normal hours are 8. And he has exceeded 3 hours compared to this one. So actually it is 8. He has worked for 11. So up to 9 he will be given what the single rate. And this particular thing he has exceeded 8 plus 1 11. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2 hours extra. He will be paid at the double rate. Coming to Friday, 11 hours. Same thing, 8 hours is normal and up to 9 hours he will be paid at the single rate. Single rate is 1 rupee per hour. 1 rupee per hour. So 2 hours extra he has worked. So he will be paid 2 hours at the rate of double rate OT, overtime wages. Coming to Friday, same thing. 11 hours he has worked. 8 hours is the normal. Up to 9 hours, single rate, 1. If he exceeds 9 hours, he will be included under the double rate. 2 hours. That's very important thing. I have already told you, Saturday usually is assumed as a half a day. See, hours worked is also 4. And normal hours is also 4. So, he is not eligible or entitled to get any extra wages overtime, either single rate or at the double rate. This is very important thing. After that, we have to total this column. See, totally has worked for 53 hours. That is very important thing. Has worked for 53 hours. Out of these 53 hours, 44 is the normal hours. 44 is normal. And 4 hours is for the first slab up to 9 hours single rate. So this is the total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 44 plus 4, 48. So the remaining thing OT at the double rate 1 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is very important thing. See, total hours worked is 53. We are going to segregate it into 3 parts. One, it will be paid on the normal basis. Single rate 4 hours and double rate 5 hours. So this we have calculated with this table. Now how to calculate the total wages of this employee? See, total wages is equal to 44 hours is the normal. He will get 1 rupee rate. That's very important thing. See, 44 into 1 is equal to 44 rupees. We'll get 44 rupees because first we have to pay on this particular thing. 44 into 1 is equal to 44 rupees. Second one, single rate. This column is for single rate. How many hours he is entitled to get the overtime wages under the single rate? So this is single rate is only 1 because it is given. Normal rate is 1 rupee per hour. Overtime wages up to 9 hours, single rate is 1. So single rate is 1. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. See, overtime wages at the double rate. When he is eligible and entitled to get the double rate, when he exceeds the 9 hours, how many times and on how many days he has exceeded the 9 hours, for that he will get double payment. See, actually, he has exceeded the 9 hours on Tuesday, on Thursday, on Friday only. 3 days he has worked under double rate system. So, overtime double rate, see, total number of hours is 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. See, what is the total wages payable to the worker according to this wage payment system is, so 44 plus 4 plus 10 is equal to 58 rupees. 58 is the total wages payable to the worker. Again, I would like to amplify and summarize what problem we have learnt today. See, you will be given the days and the hours. We have to calculate normal and overtime wages. What is the normal hours? 8 hours per day will be considered as a normal. Normal rate is 1 rupee per hour. And how to calculate the overtime wages? Overtime wages will be calculated up to 9 hours. He will be paid at a single rate. If he exceeds 9 hours, he will be paid at a double rate. For that purpose, we have to prepare one table. This table goes like this. Day, hours worked, normal hours, OT, how many hours he is entitled to get at a single rate. And overtime, double rate, how many hours. You please understand, this column will be filled only when he exceeds 9 hours per day. 8 hours is the normal. Up to 9 hours, he will be included here. If he exceeds 9 hours, he is entitled to get the double payment. So Monday 8 dash dash, because the hours worked is equal to normal hours, he will not get any OT, overtime wages. Tuesday 10 hours, 8 hours. So 1 hour up to 9 hours he will get up under single rate. He is eligible to get the double rate only when he exceeds 9 hours per day. Because 10 hours, 8 hours normal, 1 single rate. Because 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 1 hour extra he has worked over and above 9 hours. So he will get double payment 1 rupee and 1 hour. Right. Wednesday 9 hours 8. Only 1 hour only he will get, because this is exactly equal to the first slab. Up to 9 hours single rate. He will get only 1. But nothing is there for overtime wages under double rate system. Thursday 11. 8 is the normal. Up to 9 hours, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. That's very important thing. 11 minus 9, he has exceeded by 2 hours when compared to 9 hours. Because 11 is the actually, yes, number of hours, actual number of hours worked. So 2 hours I will pay under overtime under double rate system. On Friday, 11 hours again, same thing. 8 hours normal, 1 hour, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. 2 hours you will get at the double rate. So the total number of hours 53, normal hours 44. Single rate he is eligible for 4 hours and double rate he is eligible for 5 hours. Then you calculate the total wage payment. Normal rate for 44 hours 1 rupee, 44 rupees. This is the single rate. For single rate also it will be considered only 1 rupee because it is given here. Up to 9 hours single rate, 1 rupee only will be given. 4 hours is the total of this column. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. See how many hours he is entitled to get under double rate OT. That is 5 hours. For these 5 hours, he will be paid double rate. Double rate means 1 rupee per hour is the single rate. Double rate means he will get 2 rupees. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Totally 44 plus 4 plus 10. He will be paid total wages of 58 rupees. Thank you.